Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Evergreen Open Planning meeting of the 6th of November 2018. Today probably should be quick because there's only me, as far as I can tell for today. So, the main things going on nowadays. Is so not a lot of things since last week basically, but so right now I'm working on debugging some issue on an AWS flavor, which I provisioned somewhere to actually make it work. So right now the good thing is that now you can provision an AWS flavor instance again. There's a few issues. So one I discovered recently that we have an issue um, about so we download HPIs and we put them on the disk as HPIs, when actually since Jenkins 1 and 5XX 532 or something, HPIs are renamed by the plugin manager when installing and everything as JPI. So if you screw up or whatever and put on the disk, which normally shouldn't happen because I just probably did that partly by hand while hacking on that instance. But so yeah, it shouldn't happen for end users, but basically you could end up in a situation where you have an HPI and a JPI, and in that case, for robustness reasons, Jenkins choose to use the JPI to avoid issues. But in some case, like ours, where we actually bypass everything and put things on the disk directly, if, for instance, you update an HPI somewhere and you put a JPI somewhere else, and you depend on that new version, then you could actually, use the previous version of the one of those things when it depends on the new thing that's going to be ignored. So yeah, simple story. Long story short, we need to actually fix that so we are more consistent with what Jenkins would do, so that we actually have only JPIs on the disk. Yeah. So that was to fix actually that one when I ended up understanding that issue, and now my instance is unbroken. So I guess I will mark it as resolved, by the way. I would like to tackle that. And that's mostly it. Then in the next few days and weeks, I hope to be able to work a bit more on things, and hopefully more people will work on this, but no confirmation yet. And I guess that's it for today. I'm not going to spend too much time. If there is, again, any question or whatever, don't hesitate to come over on the Gitter channel of Evergreen, so where we usually work and discuss. So yesterday we had a new person trying to hack on Evergreen and trying to add AWS, a plugin for AWS. So it's interesting, and we're trying to always help newcomers. So yeah, that's it. So thanks everyone, and see you next time.